we got a package. You're all wondering what this is. This is a project that I've been working on for a while. So on eBay, I got this. Oh, okay, is that really how they sealed it? Yeah, this is some unceremonious. They said there was no I/O shield included in this, but whatever. Now, it's time for I/O shield now. What? This is not what I ordered. Wait a minute. Wait, is the socket at least correct? And clearly I should be able to tell just by looking at the motherboard alone. There are many indicators on this board that show that this is not what I ordered. Back to the video. Because this does not appear to be what I ordered. Because if I remember clearly, it was not an Asus motherboard that I ordered. Let's see if there's anything on here that I can use to gain some info. The most Caleb technician that's ever lived. Hold on, let me take a moment to look this up.
A few moments later.
So after looking it up, this appears to be an H81 motherboard, which is compatible with which ones? 4th gen Intel Core series CPUs. And this is not what I expected. This is LGA 1150, not 1366 as I was planning to use. So like, what the hell, man? They sent me the wrong thing. Did I just get scammed, guys? This is not what I ordered.